will start coming in overnight tonight. So this will be mainly after about midnight, 2 a.m. and we'll have a period of snow through the morning rush hour. It'll start turning more scattered after about mid-morning. Still have some snowflakes after that into early afternoon. The winter weather advisory is in effect for the entire CBS 6 viewing area with the exception of the immediate coastal areas. That's tonight through the day tomorrow. Snowfall accumulations for most of us about 1 to 3 inches. I'll show you in just a second. There may be a few isolated spots that get up to about 4 inches of snow. And then the snow kind of tapers off tomorrow afternoon, and behind it there may be a little patch of freezing drizzle, and that could be enough to add a little bit of a glaze on top of anything that is not treated. So here's the winter weather advisory again. It doesn't include the coastal areas. If you're watching earlier today, this has been expanded farther northward, so it's essentially most of Virginia with the exception of the coast for at least a couple inches of snow. So we continue to see clouds increasing later today, highs around 50. Here comes the snow about 10 o'clock out by the mountains, I-81 there, but then it comes across the area after midnight tonight. This lasts through tomorrow morning and notice everywhere with the exception of far southeastern Virginia at or below freezing. So I'll have hours of snow tomorrow morning. Starts kind of moving on out by about midday, and there might be enough moisture left over, especially southeast, for a little bit of freezing rain, freezing drizzle, but way southeast of it, it's going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow afternoon. Upper 30s to around 40 there, but most of our viewing area in the low and mid 30s. So it is going to be definitely cold enough for this snow. So a good chance of seeing at least an inch of snow, low chance of seeing about 3 or a little bit more in Richmond. And the reason why I mention that is this is one computer model. This is kind of the higher end. So don't get married to these numbers here. But what happens is when lows pass to our south, we normally get like a little band. It's very focused of some slightly heavier snow, and that may set up between about Richmond and the Tri-Cities. So there might be a little pocket in here across central Virginia that gets about 3.5, 4 inches of snow. So just keep that in mind. At least an inch or two for everyone, a few spots up to 4. And for the Christmas parade Saturday morning, it's going to be dry and just kind of cloudy with temperatures between about 35 and 40, but the winds will be light, so no nasty wind chill. The weekend will be dry. We're watching a system for Monday that has gone far south in terms of the new computer model. So we may get maybe a shower, a couple of flurries Sunday evening and Sunday night, but that does not look to be about a big deal. But look at that, 33 for tomorrow, back up to near 50 Sunday, and then back to 38 for a high on Monday.